Guys, ito na yung kapalit ni Dana dati. Come, Reza. Come here. Ito yung si Reza. Oh. Shout out your family in your Indonesia. Shout out your family. You talk, no?
Miss Reza from Indonesia.
How old are you? Come here, you not finished, ga? Sir. Mayain din si Reza. You shout out your family. Shout out your family. I'm Reza. Shout out your family. Mama and Papa.
Hello, Mama, Papa.
Still okay there?
I'm still okay. Here.
Oh.
Alhamdulillah.
siya yung siya yung kapalit ni Dana. Sabi ko sa kanya mag-vlog kami. Mahihain naman. Minsan napapagalitan ko kasi loko-loko ay shortcut kasi yung ano. Why you not asking about your sister and brother? Huh? Or you shout out your girlfriend? Huh? What is? Shout out your girlfriend. What name in your country the girlfriend? Habibi? Habibi also? Habibi? Reza single. She need Habibi. Or Kabibi. Siya yung kapalit ni Dana. Why you not shout out Dana? You know Dana? Mabait naman po. Ayan na. Tapos na kami ni Reza. Okay. Bye. Oh, you make bye-bye na, no? Call Dana. Come. Hi, Dana.
Hi, Dana. How are you?
You still alive, Dana? Ito, no?
You still alive, Dana?
Okay, bye. Tapos na kami ni Reza.